India has always upheld the belief of Yatra Narestu Pujyante Ramante Tatra Devtaha, where women are honored, divinity prevails. Women, who make up half of the nation's populations, have brought glory to India across every field. Yet it is unfortunate that past governments failed to honor this spirit. Instead of empowering them, they left women struggling for even their most fundamental rights: education, healthcare, and employment. The so-called welfare statistics presented by previous governments never translated into real change, forcing the women of India to fight for their rights for years. To transform this reality, the Modi government has taken decisive steps towards women empowerment. Under his leadership, women's welfare is not just a political slogan, but a firm commitment, one whose results are clearly visible today. With a vision to transform Nari Shakti into Rashtra Shakti,
महिलाओं का जीवन आसान बने, उनके जीवन से मुश्किलें कम हो, उन्हें आगे बढ़ने के ज्यादा से ज्यादा अवसर मिले, ये हमारी सरकार की सर्वोच्च प्राथमिकताओं में से एक है।
the Prime Minister has implemented bold and transformative initiatives. This commitment is reflected in numerous ways, with one of the most notable being the historic increase in budget allocation for the Ministry of Women and Child Development. In 2013-14, the budget stood at 20,440 crore rupees, which has now been increased to 26,889.69 crore rupees, a powerful testament to the government's dedication. Prime Minister Modi has introduced schemes like the Mahila Samman Savings Certificate and the Mudra Yojana that have provided women with the necessary resources and opportunities to become self-reliant. Out of the total 44.46 crore loans sanctioned under Mudra Yojana, 69% loans have been given to women. We are moving towards a future where 5 lakh women will get the opportunity to venture into entrepreneurship for the first time, with loans of up to 2 crore rupees enabling them to become self-reliant. Prime Minister Modi firmly believes that in the coming decade, women will be at the forefront of India's growth story, driving the nation toward unparalleled progress. This commitment will be a defining step toward achieving the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047, संकल्प से समृद्धि की ओर।